In fact, we are turning our attention now towards the stock market. As the global markets remain unstable following major geopolitical shifts, including the US taking over Venezuela, Indian stock markets extended their losing streak for a fourth consecutive session today, with the Sensex and Nifty dragged lower by heavy selling in metal stocks and continued weakness in oil and gas counters. Sensex tanked 780.18 points or 0.92% to end at 84,180.96, and Nifty 50 fell by 263.90 points or 1.01% to 25,876.85 as concerns over potential US tariff actions and sustained foreign fund outflows overshadowed optimism around earnings growth. Joining us on the broadcast is Dr. Sharat Kohli, Senior Economist. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Kohli, if I can understand why the markets are suddenly tanking for the fourth straight day.
Good afternoon, Shivani, to you and NewsX viewers. It's the Trump factor once again. The Trump mood index keeps going up and down. His fresh announcement that he's going to impose 500% tariffs on India, China and Brazil because of the Russian oil imports is again sending jitters in the market. Although I feel that the reaction is temporary because we already have 50% tariffs and there is not much of exports left from India to the US on all the items which are already impacted by so between 50% and 500%. It won't really make any difference. The markets feel this is another way of asking the Indians to say that please don't sell anything here or don't send anything here. So I think that has impacted the sentiment. Plus, I think the Venezuelan action is counting. Plus, Donald Trump's, eye on Greenland, which the European nations are opposing. I think that is also causing a bit of a nervousness in the market, that this could trigger a geopolitical tension. It could trigger some kind of World War III because the European nations are supporting Denmark for Greenland. Plus President Trump's eye on Cuba, Colombia and Mexico. I think President Trump is causing a lot of shiver around the world by giving these statements and his moves as well. And let's not forget Iran, where things are getting quite bad, the internal situation. So I think geopolitically speaking, things are quite volatile. That is counting on the mind. As far as India is concerned, we just had Indian GDP advance estimates of 7.4%. But it seems, Shivani, that the global factors were overriding and they did not let the local sentiments come to the fore, Shivani.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Kohli, for that valuable perspective into the stock market. With that, we are wrapping up this bulletin. We'll see you on the other side of this commercial.